Ayan. Ayan. Mga idol. Oh, nawala. Sayang, nawala idol. Sana yun. Wala idol. Sayang, wala. Wala idol, mga kan, nakawala sila. Mataan tayo doon. Sayang, sayang. Sayang, wala. Nakahuli tayo mga idol. Sana hindi makawala kasi ayan. Ayan mga idol. Yan nahuli natin. Medyo tagal-tagal din. Ayan. Ayan mga kan. Maaga ng fishing idol. Oh, good po sa lahat ng viewers. Thank you po sa pag-share at sa pag-ban. Nanonood at saka sa mga gusto. Subscribe niyo ang ating channel, kay Jeremy Vlog sa YouTube at saka Jeremy Nikat sa Facebook. Ayan. Wala kayo nahuli natin. Ayan. We got big one. Ayan mga idol, nakahuli tayo ng malaki. Ayan. Ayan mga idol, yung nahuli natin, malaki. Nahuli natin. Sana wish ko lang po, sana lahat kayo ay mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Lahat naman nanonood, baka pwede naman. I hope all of you who are watching my videos, please subscribe. Your subscribe is very mean for me. It's very important for me. And if you do that, I hope God will return back the blessing for you guys. And I love you. I thank you for your support, for your watching, and continue. This is non-stoppable already because I already used to do the fishing, so I will try to make it more viewers or subscribers. So I hope one of you or all of you will continue to watch my videos. This is the try to make it more until I stay here in Taiwan. I'm a Filipino. I'm from Cagayan. I can speak Tagalog, Ilocano, Malaweg, or Itawis, or Ibanakaya. But my original language, dialect is Malaweg. It's a small place in Philippines. So that's why I hope you can support my video, because this is a way of Filipino to know, to spread the Filipino people around the world. This is our way to show that we also are creative people, especially a Filipino is a hardworking, work very hard, and I hope you can appreciate the one you do. I know some of you are not satisfied, but we try our best to show you how the way we catch fish, and I know we cannot fish you all, but I hope to those who support us, thank you so much. If you don't also support, if you don't like our videos, sorry for that, and we apologize, but this is a way of life to communicate around the world. This is life, and to show all the way the good place here in Taiwan. Maybe someday, if we have time, we show to a lot of places. I joined also the group of Filipino here, so I hope you need also to subscribe me, include to your subscribers, so that you can see all the one I do here in Taiwan. That's all, and thank you so much. I hope you like it, and God bless. I am Jeremy Nikat from Facebook, and I'm my channel on FB, YouTube, Kuya Jeremy Vlog. Hope you like it, and that's all. I want to take a rest for a while, and maybe I will go later, or maybe I can do again. I will see the time because I have work later. Thank you, and God bless you all. Bye bye. See you. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyo. Hanggang dito muna kasi medyo tinitingnan ko yung oras. So may pasok pa ako mamaya. And God bless po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat. Bye bye. Love you all. Wow, naka 158,893 tayo ng viewers mga idol. Thank you for watching. And total like 239. New subscribers, wow, 245. Thank you for those subscribe me. Thank you so much really, and I really appreciate it, and God bless you. I don't know who are you guys, but I pray that all of you will be blessed, and God will protect you always for what you're doing. Thank you, and God bless you all. Thank you mga idol. Thank you Nida Umali. Maraming salamat po sa iyong pag-heart at saka patuloy na pagtulong sa amin dito sa mga vloggers. Maraming bye bye, and God bless you. Thank you, and I love you all boys, guys. Bye bye.